Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here again. It's been a hot minute since I filmed, especially one of these type of videos. I'm so excited. If you guys haven't seen the title already, I am going to be ranking the romance album by Camila Cabello. I'm gonna be ranking all the songs from my least to my most favorite. I have been wanting to do this for such a long time, and now that her new album is coming up, I don't know when, but it's coming up, I wanted to just, you know, get you guys prepared, re-listen to her album, you know what I'm saying? If you guys are new, hi, my name is Valerie. Welcome to our ValZenDen. While I'm ranking the songs, I'm gonna be doing a I look inspired by the album. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Miami, which is where Camila is from. I have like such a strong connection to her beyond musically, beyond her being a celebrity. I just feel like me and her would get along so well. We could relate so much because we are from the same city and we're both Latinas. She does so much for the Latin community in the English world, so I love her so much for that. It would be such an honor for one day to do her makeup on my channel and like talk about her new album at the time. Like it would be the most surreal thing ever. Like I have manifested that for such a long time, so if you guys could share this, it would mean so much to me if you guys would like tag her or share this on her TikTok or share this. I'm gonna put the thumbnail on my Instagram. Before I begin, I know this intro is gonna be like 15 minutes long. I don't want anyone getting mad with the ranking of these songs. This is purely a girl chat type of thing. Please let me know your ranking. I would love to know what your ranking is and why. Oh, I'm gonna be drinking some wine, so get ready for that. Before I begin, I am going to be doing a huge giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, give this a like, and leave me a comment. That helps out so much with the algorithm, and every time you guys do that, I get so many more views than I usually do, so please do that. And if you do, thank you so much for that. If by any chance in the world Camila sees this video, hi, I love you so much. I cannot wait to meet you one day. I was supposed to go to your romance tour in 2020. I was like literally, I bought tickets for like the 3rd row from the stage, and you know, obviously because of everything that's happened, it got canceled, but I was so excited. It was around my birthday, so that was like my birthday present to myself. So I know we've been here for a million years, so let's just get into the video. Okay, let's do some wine time. Okay, so I just primed my eyes, and don't worry, everything that I have on my face before and after the look, I'm gonna put it on the description down below. By the way, I am drinking Cabernet Sauvignon. I think that's how you say it. I'm not French, so I apologize. I'm gonna begin with the Violet Voss, like a Voss palette. I'm gonna take the Alamar Cosmetics. I don't think it has a name, but it's this little like flat-ish kind of brooch. I am going in with this color right here. It's called Inspo. So I'm basically going to try to do like a super cool, like smoked out kind of liner with like a little bit of red. So pray for me. This album has 14 songs, and number 14, it's gonna be This Love. I like all the songs, trust me, this is a no skip album. Oh my god, wait, no. I completely forgot. Before I go in with the black color, I'm gonna go in with the very first shade right here, which is called Hustle, and it's just like my skin tone but lighter kind of shade, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eye. So like I was saying, This Love is number 14. I don't know what it is about it, because it's such a beautiful song, and she talks about like this guy who's like playing her basically, but she still like wants to go back to him type of thing. So it's a very twisted thing, and I understand it, girl. Oh my gosh, we've all been there, haven't we? I love the rhythm to it. I love how it's like you can slow dance to this. It's like romantic, but it like hurts because he's a little player. All right, I think I need another sip because okay, now I'm actually gonna go back into that black color. So my number 13 is gonna have to be Cry For Me. I mean, it's a bop. It's not that I don't like it, it's just I feel like there's other ones that I gravitate more towards. So my number 12, I feel like I'm gonna upset a lot of people with this one because I feel like this is one of the favorites. It was also one of the singles, and my number 12 is gonna have to be Liar. It's so like, now I'm just like thinking about it in my head, I'm like, I love that song so much, but like I said with the other one, I just like others way better than that one. I absolutely love the music video to this one. I think it's so cool, like the whole concept of it, how she's like stuck in a place and then her whole day repeats over and over again until she like breaks through it and she changes the outcome of everything, and I think it's such a cool idea. Okay, so now that's done, another sip. we are moving on to the Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. And if you guys haven't guessed by it already, I'm gonna be going in with that gorgeous red color. It's called Mikai. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend that red color very tinily into the black, so it's like a smoky kind of like blending color. Okay, number 11. This song is so cute. I'm gonna upset people here too. So my number 11 is gonna be Living Proof, and that's literally like the second song on the album. It's such a cute song because the song is like just so soft and stuff. Like, it's such a real song, like what it says about the beginnings of a relationship. At the beginning, it's just so like cute and delicate. I don't know, and that song gives me very much that vibe. Okay, so I had to switch up the brush because I feel like the one that I was using was way too big, so I'm gonna use something a little bit different. It's like more tapered at the top, so it's more pointed, and that's what I need, something more precise. Okay, so the next song is gonna be number 10 is gonna be Shameless. I love that song so much. That is the very first track on the album, and I just like that. It gets so intense. She's like, screw everyone, I don't give a, and I'm gonna be shameless, like whatever, bro. And I love that. I love that attitude. I feel like life is too short to just be a people pleaser, you know what I mean? Just do whatever the hell you want, as long as you're not, you know, being an a-hole or hurting anyone. I think it's such a cool song to start with because that opens you up to the rest of the album, and it's a good message. I like that song a lot. I need a little bit more of a drink, so I'm gonna get some more. Okay, so number 9 is gonna have to be Feel It Twice. And honestly, if you guys want me to do a ranking for her first album, Camila, please, I would love to do that. I love that album so much. It means so much to me because I remember that album coming out when I was just starting my YouTube channel, and every time I listen to it, it just puts me back into that place in time, to what I was doing or like what my dreams and hopes were, and I'm just like, I can't let her down, because like honestly, I've been feeling not so great lately. I look all cheery and like happy right now, and I am, because I'm doing this right now, and I just get so mad at myself because I don't know why I ever stop or why I'm not super consistent, and it's just like a mental health personal thing, and I hate it. I hate it so much. I know this has nothing to do with the album or Camila Cabello, but I just like, I guess I needed to talk about that. But I do want to do a get ready with me life update, so I'm just gonna save that for that. And if you are feeling like that, you're not alone. Like, I swear you're not alone, because I feel like that all the time. I feel like I'm the only person in the world that feels like this, and I know that I'm not, because some of you guys talk to me and it means so much to me. So okay, back to the topic. Feel It Twice. How did I even get to that? Oh, okay, because I feel like this song is a continuation, or like chapter 2 of All These Years. I feel like that's a continuation of that song, and another one in her album too, not just that one, but I'll talk about it when I reach to that song. I like when songs continue the story. I love that so much. Okay, so off camera, I put the red more in here because I can't do that while filming. I need to like put it up to here, and obviously you guys aren't gonna see anything, but I did the same thing. I just put it super close to the red, and now I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit with this brush, just so it's not so like in a line and it's more blended out and pretty. Okay, so let's move on to number 8. This one was really hard for me to put as number 8 because I wanted to put it higher, but I really like this song. And my number 8 is Should Have Said It. I don't know where I saw this, but somewhere on the internet somebody put like all her songs ranking as like zodiac signs, and this one was the one for Virgo, which I'm a Virgo, and I'm like, yes, that makes so much sense. If you're a Virgo, listen to this song. It makes so much sense, and it's like, well, you had your chance, now bye. And I feel like we're very much like that. This is the other song that I was talking about, that I feels like it's from All Those Years, because she talks about how she had a crush on this guy for all those years. If you really think about it, I think this album came out 2 years after Camila, the first album, and the song says, if you would have told me this 2 years ago, or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna blend out the red again. I'm gonna do it off camera to save some time, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the number 7 of my list, it's gonna have to be Senorita. The one thing I don't like about listening to the actual radio is that they overplay the hell out of a song, and I hate it when they ruin that song for us. I feel like that this is one of those songs that it's such a brilliant song, but the radio just overplays it. But Senorita is a bop. I love that song so much despite of it being so overplayed. But anyways, how cute are they together, Sean and Camila? They are adorable. He seems like such a sweet guy, and you can tell how much they like each other or love each other. It's so cute. Okay, so I had to do this off camera because I could not do this on camera. I like it though. I know it's a little big, but you know, I wanted it to be a little dramatic, and since I'm not doing like a full-on eyeshadow look, this is like the main event, so you know, it should be like a little dramatic. I think I'm just gonna do the other one off camera, so I will be right back. What I basically did is I put the black eyeshadow underneath like my lower lash line because I wanted to connect to the top, so just in case so I don't mess up, this has to be connected to the wing. So that's what I did, in case you guys are wondering. Okay, so my number 6 is gonna have to be Dream of You. I just love how cute that song is. It's definitely one of the ones that when I hear it come out, I love it. It's so cute. It's very dreamy, like the song says. I think I love the song so much because it gives me very much, like, it reminds me of high school Val. Just so relatable. Even if you're not in high school, like, any girl can feel that way. That's why I love Camila so much, because all of her songs are so freaking relatable, and they just have a realness to it that a lot of artists, it just seems like a very generic way of describing a scenario or a memory. That's why I like Camila so much, because it seems like it's very personal to her and it's an authentic experience. All right, I need a little bit of drink. Okay, so the next song, by the way, I'm gonna grab the same blending brush that I did on top, and I'm just gonna grab the red and just blend on the bottom. So my number 5 is gonna have to be My Oh My. I love that song. Every time it comes out, I'm just like, I like how it's a little risque. I'm a sucker for really fun songs, and that one is like one of the most fun songs on the album. I always wonder, I'm like, who the heck is she talking about? Honestly, I want to know. I know it's none of my business, but I'm just like a little curious. He sounds like a bad boy and I want to know who he is. And I think the line that really gets to me is the one that she's like, my mom doesn't like him and he's only here for one thing. And that's a very Hispanic thing to say in Spanish. It's like, los hombres solo te quieren para una cosa. And automatically you know what the hell they're talking about, you know? I also really like the video. I think it's so pretty because it's like an old Hollywood kind of look. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some black liner at my waterline. Okay, so let's move on to my number 4. My number 4 is gonna have to be Used to This. I love that song so much. I love a song or music that literally transport me to the memory that they had in that song. Just the description of everything, like she mentions San Francisco, she mentions like tequila with a little cling. I love that part. It's such a cool song, and it's so relatable because that's how you feel when you first begin a relationship. Everything is new and you truly do have to get used to it. All right, so this is gonna get fun. I'm gonna add some rhinestones. I got these for Halloween and I'm like, I need to wear them in every look that I do. So I'm gonna be adding some. All right, so I have no idea where I'm placing this. I'm just gonna randomly put it here. Might be too big. No, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so I think we were on number 3. It is gonna have to be Easy. I adore that song. It's such a, like, I don't know, I feel it. I just feel it. I know I say that about every freaking song, but I truly feel it. It's just like such a, like a nice realization that you were, I guess, stuck in a bad relationship because some people make you feel less than what you're actually worth. And I love it that it was one of her singles because it definitely deserves to be. I legit don't know what I'm doing, but it's happening. All right, so I know that there's a big difference between now and the last clip. For the life of me, I could not decide what I wanted to do with the rhinestones, and since the ones that I have are not that small, I spent like the last 30 minutes trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with my eyes. But I think I like what I did. It's just a simple 3 little rhinestones. I think it's a nice little touch. I was a little stressed though, for real. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. I've never tried them, but I wanted something kind of natural-ish, and this is from Kiss, so let's try it out. All right, so we're getting really close to the end. I am going to do my number 2. Y'all, I freaking love this song, and I'm talking about Bad Kind of Butterflies. Yo, that song is amazing. Like literally everything about it, the way the song sounds, it's so unique to me. And literally what it talks about. I never thought about it, but I've gotten really bad butterflies in my stomach. Not particular to what she's talking about, but I'm glad I'm not the only one that feels like this. I can legit listen to that song all day long. It's such a good beat. Going back to Bad Kind of Butterflies. Oh my god, I don't know how that song was not made a single. It's so good. All right, so we're like one step away from finishing this look, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 different lip products. The NYX Lingerie, this is in the shade Lippy, and on top of that I'm gonna add the Artist Couture Sugar Baby lip gloss. I'm gonna do that all off camera to save some time, and then I'll be back with the number 1. So obviously if you have scratched out all the songs, you know which one is gonna be. And I think the number 1 for me is gonna have to be First Man. Like this song literally gets me so emotional when I hear it. Oh my god, if you guys haven't seen the performance that she does live, oh my god, it's so sweet. I was like, I'm obviously a daddy's girl, so that song is so, I feel like it's so important to have as a girl to represent your father figure. I think that's why it's my number 1, because I feel like it's for importance. It's number 1 for sure. I just love that song. Gets me in the feels. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Like I said, everything that I have on my face, I'm gonna leave it down below so you guys can know exactly what I'm wearing. Please let me know what your ranking is. I would love to know. And are you guys excited for the new album? I know I am. I already feel like this is gonna be the most Latina, Hispanic influenced album for sure. If she ever sees this, I would be so happy, and I wouldn't know what to do with myself, like honestly. If you guys have any suggestions on other artists or any other album, please let me know. I love doing these type of videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, I am doing a 1K giveaway, so if you guys would like to enter, definitely subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.